हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप कैसे हैं? मुझे आशा है कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे और इस महामारी में पूरी तरह अपने परिवार में, अपने घर पर सुरक्षित होंगे और हर समय आप मास्क का, सैनिटाइज़र का प्रयोग करते रहें। यदि आपके अगल बगल कोई भी हो, कोरोना पॉजिटिव मिलता है, केसेस हों, सो प्लीज़ आप लोग पूरी तरह उससे सुरक्षित रहें। इसी क्रम में आज मैं आपको क्लास 7th का लेसन सेकेंड मोरल स्किल्स पढ़ाऊँगा। लेसन का नाम है द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ साइलेंस। साइलेंस माने क्या होता है? शांत रहना, चुप रहना। उसका महत्व बता रहा है इसमें राइटर, और आप लोग ध्यान से सुनिएगा। इस समय मैं केवल इसकी इंग्लिश पढ़ रहा हूँ, लेकिन जैसे ही आप लोग मेरे सामने यानी जब विद्यालय आने लगेंगे तो पुनः रिवीजन के तौर पर, ठीक है, मैं इसकी हिंदी भी आपको इसकी व्याख्या करूँगा। देखिए, द 20th century among other things is the age of noise, wrote Aldous Huxley. Physical noise, mental noise and the noise of desire. देखिए, noise has become a mania amongst many and cases to the society. There are millions who are the prefer noise and the activities of the silence. They are afraid of silence. They watch TV programs and the musicals, seasons or other means of the noisy entertainment. It may be that they do not want to hear a still voice of the conscience of silence. Silence has the obscene power. In nature, the unseen forces are the strongest. Night falls, creeps silently, and the day breaks without noise. The silent snowfall cases no alarms, and the light that penetrates and the substance like a glass makes no noise at all. All the deep sea which look so serene and the perpetual undercurrent. The elective current has the flesh from the one country to another, act like silent and the unseen messengers. More wonderful than these are the thought current that pass from the mind to mind. Silent prayer and the medication of the necessary for the growth of the spiritual life. As food is necessary for the physical growth, to study you need silence to recrop from the illness. You need to be quiet to have a good chance from the business life. You need to run to quiet resort. The period of the relaxed silence can help us to find a peace. A composer said, "When my work does not advance, I retire to place of the quiet prayer and immediately ideas come." From the time to Archimedes, क्या लिखा हुआ है? Archimedes, who discovered the law of the specify the gravity of the density while the relaxing in the silence of his bath. Scientist has gone into the periods of the relaxed silence from the problem solving. One day while the Galileo was the immortally upset, who went for this cathedral of the Pisa to claim himself. He sat on the bridge to the central of this cathedral with his brood of this silence. From the corner of his eyes was the deserved, the slow too, from the movements of the large candidiars. He quite the study which are areas which were the from and thus discovered from the important principle of this pendulum. So 3 से 4 पैराग्राफ मैंने आज आपको पढ़ा दिया है। जो शेष बचा इसमें का पैराग्राफ मैं आपको कल पढ़ाऊंगा। थैंक यू।